In this video, I'm going to show you how to add number counters in WordPress using the Counter widget in Elementor, step by step. This is a simple way to display stats, achievements, milestones, sales numbers, or any kind of animated number on your website so your pages look more professional and engaging. If you want to make your WordPress site look more dynamic without any coding, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the page you want to edit inside Elementor. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by finding the page, then selecting Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor opens, you'll see the page canvas in the middle and the widgets panel on the left. In the left panel, use the search bar and type Counter. This will quickly bring up the Counter widget, which is the tool you need for animated number counters. After you find it, simply drag and drop the widget into the container or section where you want the number counter to appear. You can place it anywhere on the page depending on your layout, whether that's in a row, a column, or a custom section. Once the counter widget is added, click on it so the settings open in the left panel. Now go to the Content tab. This is where you configure how the counter will look and behave. Start by setting the starting number. In most cases, this is set to 0 because you want the number to animate upward from the beginning. Then enter your ending number. This is the final value you want the counter to stop at, such as 100, 500, 1000, or any number that fits your content. Next, if you want to add extra formatting, you can use a number prefix or number suffix. A prefix appears before the number, like a $sign for currency. A suffix appears after the number, like a %sign, +sign, or any symbol you want to show beside the value. This is really useful for making the counter more meaningful and easier to understand at a glance. After that, adjust the animation duration. This controls how fast the number counts up from the starting number to the ending number. If you want a quick animation, keep the duration shorter. If you want a smoother or slower effect, increase the duration in milliseconds. This can make a big difference in how polished the counter feels on the page. Then enter your title. This is the text that appears below the number, and it helps explain what the counter represents. For example, you might write customers served, projects completed, years of experience, or happy clients. Keep the title clear and short so visitors can understand the number instantly. You can also style the counter further using the Style tab if you want to adjust spacing, typography, alignment, or colors, but the core setup happens in the Content tab. Take a moment to preview how the counter looks on the page and make sure the number, prefix or suffix, title, and animation all work the way you want. If anything looks off, you can always go back and fine-tune the settings until it fits your design perfectly. Once everything is ready, navigate to the top right corner of Elementor and click Update or Publish to save your changes. That's the final step, and it makes sure your number counter goes live on your WordPress website. And that's it. You've now learned how to add number counters in WordPress using the Elementor Counter widget. It's a quick but powerful way to make your site look more trustworthy, more professional, and more visually engaging. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tips, and I'll see you in the next video.